go, let's go!
Come on.
Come on! What do we got?
Go! Get in front of him! Get in front of him!
Hang on. We're out of regular arrows.
What do you mean? Oh my god, trick arrows?
Definitely not this one.
Alright, you don't have to say definitely
one.
like that. Alright, how
too
about this one?
dangerous.
This one fine? I'm using this one. Play-Doh arrow?
Hit the wheels with the putty arrow.
Great idea. I'll do that as soon as you label these damn things. You know, this would be a lot easier if we were facing the other way.
You were facing the other way. Hang on.
There are 4 arrows more dangerous than that one? A plunger arrow? What is a trick that is completely useless? Please be a good one.
Sorry, Shannon. Here, acid arrows. Drop the stoplight. Kate, get in.
I'll take that, thank you.
And the Challenger gets totaled anyway.
I know, you really can't see.
But hang on, hang on.
What is he doing?
Gonna crash into us. Here, take out that truck. Aim high. Bring the arrow down on him.
I don't really know what the plan is. This is just a normal arrow.
I have no idea what you're saying. Just gonna assume you're on board. On my mark. Ready? Shoot up!
That was amazing!
Take this. Cover me.
The USB arrow? What am I supposed to do with this? Oh God, I hope he's got a dongle arrow to make this useful. Don't move! You do not want to see what this arrow does! Trust me!
Follow me!